Ever wondered how to tame the financial beast that is expense tracking? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify, your one-stop shop for effortless expense management. Let's face it, expense reports can be a real drag. Hours spent poring over receipts, manually inputting data, and praying your submission doesn't get lost in the bureaucratic abyss. But fear not, for Expensify is here to save the day. Step-by-step guide. Setting up your account. Create an account. Start by creating a free account on the Expensify website or app. Personalize your profile. Add your personal information, including your name, email address, and company information. Connect your payment methods. Link your credit cards and bank accounts to automatically import transactions. Capturing expenses. Mobile app magic. Snap a photo of your receipt using the Expensify mobile app. The app's advanced OCR technology will automatically extract key information like date, merchant, and amount. Manual entry. If you prefer, you can manually enter expenses directly into the web or mobile app. Categorizing and tagging. Smart categorization. Expensify's AI-powered categorization system will automatically assign categories to your expenses. Custom tags. Create custom tags to further organize your expenses based on projects, clients, or other criteria. Submitting expense reports. Easy submission. With a few clicks, you can generate and submit expense reports. Real-time approval workflow. Expensify's streamlined approval workflow allows you to track the status of your reports and receive notifications. Tips and tricks. Optimize your workflow. Use Expensify's automation features to streamline your expense tracking process. Stay organized. Create custom policies and rules to ensure consistent expense reporting. Leverage integrations. Connect Expensify to other tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Calendar for seamless integration. Expensify is a powerful tool that can simplify your expense tracking and reporting. By following these steps and incorporating the tips we've shared, you can take control of your finances and save valuable time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expense tracking.